Hey guys, Jeff here. Well, today I wanted to show you uh, a little problem I'm having. Now, the problem is my Xbox 360 will not read discs anymore. Well, it will read them, but not very much. So pretty much the drive's busted. I tried cleaning the lens. That didn't really help. I tried blowing it out with compressed air. That didn't really help. So I'm pretty much toast. Well, with this Xbox, I'll probably end up getting a new drive because they're not that expensive. They range between $20 and $40. So I might chip in some money to fix this thing up. But for now, I have my old Xbox, which has the open trayer, but this thing works, it reads discs better than that, because the open trayer is basically, to fix it, you just have to bang on the Xbox until it reads a disc. So, I'm living with this one until I get this puppy fixed. Now, this one was nice because it's the Xbox 360 Slim. So, like I got this used over at the beginning of the summer from some family, and I'm just upset that it just all of a sudden decided to do this. So I'll show you guys an example of this now. So I gotta plug this stuff in. It's right there. And yeah, I'm gonna be using this without a faceplate to demonstrate. There's not much of a difference, so let's go. Turn you on. Takes a little bit to turn on, but let's see. The other disc is currently in my. The disc is currently in my my other Xbox 360. See, that's the other Xbox. I have that one hooked up through component. So, let's go. Forget which. Oh, it's this controller. I have 3 wireless controllers, 1 wired. So, I'm gonna be putting this in there, which really pissed me off when I first tried putting it in. What's going on? This HDMI cable is kind of funky too. So there we go. So there's no disc in there right now. But when I open the tray and put the disc in, sounds like it's gonna read it. And it's still trying to read it. It takes a little bit. Yeah, that's John Cena. It's the only WWE wallpaper on the thing. On the marketplace or whatever. Now it says play game, but okay, what happened? Is it the HDMI cable playing games with me? Yep. Okay, it says play Advanced Warfare. Sometimes a picture doesn't show up, sometimes it doesn't. But I go in to play it. Just wait. It says the disk is unreadable. Now, I'm pretty sure it's readable because I just got this game. I rented it from Family Video like the day of the release. So, watch this. This is my Xbox. This is my original Xbox. I've had for like 4 years. It has the open tray here. So gotta bang it to get to work. But it's reading it just fine now. And the picture shows up. Oop. Wrong controller. I'll just use this one. Oh, that one's also synced with it. There. Now the sound's turned down because I usually play with my Turtle Beaches. So, as you see, it's playing it just fine. So, I don't know. I might continue using this one until I decide to spend the money on this one to get it fixed. We'll see. And that's my 120 gig drive that I used to use in this one, but I took the case apart so I could use it on this one. And I bought a 60 gig drive to use in here. So we'll see what I decide to do. I guess when something happens, I'll let you guys know, and we'll move on. And yeah, so, but I'm on the side of going in and going forward and getting a new drive for this, because they aren't that expensive. So, yeah, we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it's been so long, but I've been busy. And yeah, see ya.